thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today's video is super exciting. It is brought to you by SUNBER Hair. So thank you so much, SUNBER, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is what your packaging is going to come in. You do get your duster bag for your wig. You're gonna have a box that says Human Hair Wigs. Oh, I got a little Christmas card. That was sweet. And look, a little Christmas stocking. A bag full of a bunch of goodies. And they sent me a V-part wig, so that's exciting. Let's take a look at the goodies you're gonna get. So you get a couple alligator clips, a wig cap, a silk bandana or silk scarf, and some lashes. So I did get a V-part wig. Very nice. This one is a body wave V-part wig. These waves are so pretty. This hair is so soft. It looks thin, but it's actually not. It has like a nice density. This is really nice. The color is an off black shade, probably like a number 2. You're gonna get 2 combs on either side of the V part. Then you're going to get 2 combs on the sides where the ear tab is, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. So this is very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and I went ahead and left a little leave out. I left a little leave out. This is actually way too much, so I'm going to put some away. Okay, so this is how much hair I have left. So I'm literally, I hope y'all can see that. That is literally just this little bit. So let me pin the back, put the comb in the back, and then I'm going to put the combs on the sides. So you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair. It's so cute, so easy. V-part wigs are definitely the new hot thing because they look natural. If you have leave out, you can definitely blend them. You can even wear them without leave out. But I just love them because they're so easy and so beautiful. Definitely check out the link to this hair down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.